Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this October the 5th. It's a beautiful fall day, and anyway, what I wanted to do today is work on this flower bed right over here. This is a small flower bed, and I just want to show you for a few seconds how I design them. Anyway, I put everything in there earlier last year, but I'm just everything's grown now, so I can see what it looks like. But anyway, I'm going to use some cedar mulch, and I'm going to move the all the elephant ears to the corner over here, and then move the hostas to the middle, and then I should have a bunch of extra baby hostas. And the clematis is actually getting ready to bloom here in October, which is crazy. But anyway, that's what I want to do here. And I'll just show y'all, there's all the stuff. I got some free rocks from somebody. There's some cedar or cypress mulch. And then here's a lot of baby stuff I've got so far this year. Hopefully I'm going to put it in the garage for the winter, and next spring it should do well. Get some hostas, a bunch of hostas, and iris we're planting in the front, and then there's an azalea for the church. All right, so here we go. Okay, I'm all done, and I think it turned out okay. But anyway, everything was free, didn't cost anything except for the cedar mulch, which is like I think $3.98, and I used half a bag, so there you go. But anyway, the rocks are free. I love rocks. I got them the other day, somebody that was moving, they didn't want them, so anyway, I put the elephant ears here in the corner. I'm going to back up. Y'all saw the little video anyway. But and there's the hosta and the clematis. So hopefully next year the hosta could grow big, and the elephant ears grow good right there. And the good thing is I got 2 more hostas and an elephant ear, which I put over here. Alright, so let me come back around. There we go. Alright, I thank y'all, and bye-bye.